Model, 70-plate Renault Trafic Sl28 Business 84k miles 2.0 runs needs turbo Euro 6 No Vat. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 84,113. MOT, the 31st of August 2025. Engine, 1997 CCM 920-120 Energy E60. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Engine, clutch and gearbox are perfect, straightforward turbo replacement job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after.